Hi everyone. This is just a bit of an activity based on learning the number facts for the 9 times. We're having a bit of a focus on it in our classroom this week, and one thing that gets me is that we often hear people saying go and learn your tables, so to speak, but often as teachers we don't spend enough time to actually teach them strategies or teach them how to do it. It's go away and go and learn them. And with my own children here, sometimes we don't know how to learn them. So a little bit of an idea came to me the other night, and I came to school the other morning and spoke to a few of the students before school, and we've come up with a bit of a game, and I'll show you that in a minute to demonstrate it. So I've got here the 9 times, and as a class we looked at it, we wrote it on the board, and we looked at the patterns that go there. Why the 9s? This was the one that my class identified as one that they wanted to know because they felt that that was one of the more challenging ones. So once we wrote it there, as you can see, we've got 9 1s, 9 2s and so on. We explored the patterns. I let the children discover what the patterns are. And they picked out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes backwards up the other way in the units. They also began to pick up that 9 times 2 is 18, and a 1 and an 8 added together makes 9. Then they went further. 2 and a 7 makes 9. 4 and a 5 makes 9. So the digits in the answers all add up to 9. That was one little clue that helped them. Another thing we did was, if I said 9 times 3, well, it's 10 times 3 is 30, so 9 times 3 is going to be a little bit less than 30. So that gives them a bit of an idea where their number might be. If they said 9 times 3 is 30 something, they started to realise that was too big because they knew 10 threes was 30. Likewise, 9 times 6, we know 10 times 6 is 60, so the answer is going to be a bit less than 60. And then we also discovered, and children were pointing out, if I said 9 times 7, well, in the tens it's going to be one less, it's going to be in the 60s. So, and if we put a 6 there, we know that 6 plus 3 makes 9. If I said, and I'll scribble here, if I said 9 times 8 equals, they figured out that, okay, it's going to be in the 70s. 7 plus what makes 9? 7 plus 2. So the whole focus of our game, we called it 9, and we're looking at the pairs that make 9. We talk
3, 6, 3, 4, 6, draw, 6, draw, 4, draw, 9, oh, 8, 4, draw, 4, draw, 3, 9, 4, draw, 6, draw, 4, draw, 8, draw, 5,